In the next 1 minute, I'll be sharing with you some striking evidence from a recent study on why you should spend more time in green spaces. A recent study that looked at over 2.3 million people over a 10 years period in Wales has shown that spending time in green spaces would greatly reduce your risk of the common mental health disorders. And with a 20% reduction in anxiety and depression, we can all agree that green places are beyond just pretty places worth preserving. They are nature's prescription for your overall well being. So, leave some comment below on your experience, how you felt after spending some time in a green space. See you.